Did you know that every major chord has a relative minor chord? In this video I'm going to give you a cheat sheet for making up chord progressions and for helping you to write songs. This is going to be a really cool tool for you to use if you are starting out writing songs, and it's going to show you what chords will work well with each other. In the theory cheat sheet pack that I've provided for free from the link in the description box below, you'll find, amongst other things, you'll find a circle that's very similar to the circle of fifths. And this circle is going to show you what chords will work well together. The circle is just like a clock face, as it has 12 points on it. So first of all, I want you to pick a number between 1 and 12. Now I'm going to use 12 o'clock as my first example. At 12 o'clock on the circle, you can see it's got either a C major chord or an A minor chord. Now these are relative majors and minors, so they're going to work well together. So I'm going to choose to start my chord progression with one of these two chords. Now I could choose either one, but I'm going to choose A minor to start off with. Now, as I've chosen 12 o'clock on the circle, we can now use any chords that are directly to the left or the right of this on the inside or the outside of the circle. And these chords are going to work well together because they're all in the same key. And so let's finish this chord progression. So I've got A minor already. Now I'm going to choose F major next, then C major, and let's finish with a G major. So let's hear how that sounds together. Oh, that sounds pretty good. This is going to work with any part of the circle. So let's try 4 o'clock now. So at 4 o'clock we have either E major or C sharp minor, and they're the relative majors and minors, so they're going to work really well together. And I'm going to choose to use the major chord this time, E major, to start the progression, and I can choose any chords that are directly to the left or the right of this. So let's go to F sharp minor next, then let's go to that C sharp minor and finish with a B major. So this progression does use chords that have sharps, so this means that you will need to use bar chords to play them. So if you do need help with knowing where these bar chords are, I have also provided a bar chords kind of navigation sheet that's also free in the pack that you can download from the link in the description box below. And here is that progression. So E major, F sharp minor, C sharp minor next, B major, and back to E. And I think that sounds like a really good chord progression as well. They all work really well together. There's something that I do just want to cover quickly. Now, I am an advocate, and I do say a lot in these videos that you should always rely on your ears. So if you like the sound of a progression, then it is a good progression. Don't just rely on this circle to write your progressions for you. This is just a really good tool to help you to write progressions, especially when you're new to songwriting or new to making up chord progressions. This circle is just to show you the chords that are closely related to each other, and it's not a set of rules, so don't hesitate to deviate away from this circle if you do find something that you like the sound of. So thanks very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below so that I can make some short videos answering any questions that you might have. So thanks very much guys, I'll see you next time.